Are you done?
Not yet.
When will you finish it?
Give me 10 more minutes, please.
Tell me when you're done, okay?
Sure, I will.
Who owns this land?
The owner is no longer here. Anything?
Nothing. I was just checking.
All right, I got it.
This bag belongs to who?
I think it belongs to Linda.
Is this for you?
No, it's not. It's for Mark.
Whose book is this?
That's mine.
What's happening?
This little girl started shouting for no apparent reason.
Have you found out why?
We are trying to do so, but she won't let us.
Do you read regularly?
Not quite often.
What types of books do you read?
I read science fiction and psychology books.
Do you mind if I open the windows?
Sure, make yourself comfortable.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go shopping and do the washing.
Can you pick me up at the station?
All right, at what time?
What time will you be free?
I will be free at 9:40.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, at 10:30.
There's plenty of food. Do you want some more?
Yes, I do. Let me have some.
Where is my phone?
I guess it's on the table.
What is the name of your cat?
She is called Sasha.
Do you think Mike is married?
Yes, he is.
Can you turn off the television?
Willingly.
When did it all start?
It started right from university.
What's the weather like?
It's hot and windy.
What time is it?
It's 1 o'clock.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the grocery store.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to see a doctor, then go to a friend.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
How much is this dress?
It's $30.
Can I pay by credit card?
Certainly.
Do you need anything else?
No thanks.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll take pasta.
Do you need help?
No, I'm good. Thanks.
How long have you been waiting?
About 10 minutes.
Have you ever been to Canada?
Yes, I've been there twice.
What does she look like?
She is pretty.
Did you go anywhere before going to school?
No, I went straight to school.
Can you play the piano?
Of course.
Can I borrow your bag?
No problem, but I will need it next Monday.
What is the date today?
It's December 18th.
How's business doing?
Pretty well.
How was your sleep?
It was not too good. I found a snake in my bedroom.
Do you understand the text?
Yes, I understand it perfectly.
Can you pass the salt?
Sure.
Are these chickens yours?
No, they are not. They are my brother's.
How do you spend your free time?
I spend them chatting with friends.
Why did you quit your job?
Because I didn't like it anymore.
Do we need to bring our exercise books?
It won't be necessary.
May I ask you something?
Of course, go ahead.
What is your favorite food?
I like chicken salad.
How often do you ride the bus?
Almost every day.
How tall are you?
I'm 6.3 feet.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
When did you buy your phone?
I bought it a week ago.
What time does the shop open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
What time does the shop close?
It closes at 8 p.m.
How do you go to school?
I go there by bus.
Are you Italian?
No, I'm not. I'm Spanish.
Do you speak Arabic?
A little, but not very well.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not thirsty.
Where is the closest supermarket?
It's just 20 meters away from here.
Do you use social media?
Yes, a lot.
Are you coming home tomorrow?
I'm not sure, but I will call you if I'm available.
Why are you crying?
I lost a friend of mine.
What is going on here?
Nothing special.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you watch the news?
I watch the news all the time.
How can I contact you?
Let me give you my telephone number.
What is your telephone number?
My phone number is 555-653-2453.
Have you closed the shop?
No, I haven't closed it yet.
Are there any books available?
Unfortunately, no, we're out of stock.
You're Mr. John Smith, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Is this the correct spelling of your name, Mr. Stephen?
No, it's spelt with PH.
Are you checking in any bags?
Yes, I have 3.
Your overweight baggage fee is $50.
It's over my budget.
Cash or credit card?
I will pay in cash.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
How long does it take to go to the nearest hospital?
Just about 10 minutes.
What did the manager say?
He told me to be careful next time.
Which section are you in?
I'm in section 4.
How was your trip?
It was quite interesting.
What time is it?
It's 2:30.
How much money do you have?
I don't have money.
How much money do you make?
I make $3,000 a month.
This dress is wonderful. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The changing rooms are just behind the counter.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.